Powerful bubble gun. It shoots out so much bubbles. Back to product zone. Today we're gonna unbox and test out one of the best trending bubble guns ever on TikTok or all social media. 69 holes of foaming, age 6+. Love this. This thing got incredible reviews all over, I'm telling you. Very powerful. Come in different colors. It's in the box. We get a bunch of stickers, a bunch of refills, 2 extra bottle of refills. We got the rechargeable battery, a USB screwdriver, and a lightweight. Oh my god, so lightweight. This is incredible. We're gonna get this bad boy up and running. Next, we're gonna put on the stickers. All right, so we're gonna pour some solution in here. Now we're gonna see. Oh my god. Holy smoke. Damn. Whoa. Now that is epic. Epic. It's lightweight. It's literally one of the best gun ever. They had viral. This thing, now I know. Now I could see why. Just a little dip and then we go. Look at that. Blowing bubbles like there's no tomorrow. Look at that. Wow. Whoa. Oh, epic. It's very good. It's a good quality. It's very lightweight, easy to use, comes with a lot of colors. They give you a lot of extra stuff and bubbles non-stop. Easy. Blow bubbles, hundreds of thousands of bubbles in second. Really lights up really nice. The kids love this. Overall, it's really good. It's high level light it is. The kids could run around and play with it. A great idea for gift, birthday gift, Christmas gift, any kind of gift. Kids love it. Outdoor backyard activity. Keep the kids away from the tablet, from the TV, from the gadgets, and give them something fun. Affordable price, good quality. Make bubbles all day long. Look at that. Hundreds of bubbles in seconds. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more upcoming videos. Check in the link in the description box for more price and details.